Some of the most valuable things you own aren't in your wallet, your home, or even your bank. They're invisible, stored as digital information. But here's the twist. Every second, that information is moving across the internet, vulnerable to anyone who tries to take a peek. So how do we keep secrets in a world where everything can be copied in an instant? The answer lies in one powerful tool: encryption. Encryption is often described as the digital equivalent of a lock and key, but it's far more than that. It's the reason your private messages stay private, your online payments don't leak your credit card number, and your personal data isn't an open book for hackers. At its core, encryption transforms ordinary readable information, what we call plain text, into something completely unreadable, known as ciphertext. And unless you hold the right key, that coded message looks like nothing more than random noise. There are two main approaches: symmetric encryption, which uses one secret key for both locking and unlocking the data, and asymmetric encryption, which uses a public key to lock and a private key to unlock. Together, these methods create the backbone of digital trust. When you see that little padlock icon in your browser, it means encryption is protecting your connection, making sure your data can't be intercepted while traveling across the internet. Messaging apps like WhatsApp or Signal use end-to-end encryption so that even the service provider can't read your conversations. And when your files are stored in the cloud, strong encryption keeps them safe even if someone gains physical access to the servers. But encryption isn't just about technology, it's about freedom and trust. It keeps your identity safe from cybercriminals, helps businesses comply with strict regulations, and even protects human rights by ensuring privacy in the digital age. Without it, our modern world of online banking, healthcare records, and private communications would be exposed to constant risk. So the next time you send a message, log into your account, or make a purchase online, remember, there's an invisible guardian working behind the scenes. That guardian is encryption, the silent shield that makes our digital lives possible, secure, and private. And in a future where data becomes even more valuable than gold, encryption will remain one of humanity's most powerful defenses.